Okay. He's gonna dive. There he goes. Nice hair, warming up. Like, what's he doing right there? The batteries just died.
I'm
got
filming.
that?
Yeah. Get a good one.
Jesus.
What is he doing?
Oh, I'm from Lithuania.
I think these are all Americans, honey. 'Cause it's the Olympics.
Okay, so here you go.
What are you watching? You're watching Fall in the Water? Is it called diving?
It's called fall in the water. Sully's gonna fall in the water. Ready? There he goes.
Do they always usually start?
I think it depends on the dive.
1, 2.
Triple Lindy. This is a good one.
What do you do?
All right, kiddo. Say goodbye, Sally.